Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how to look for groups on Telegram. Now I recommend you two ways. The first is you can open in your mobile iPhone or Android any apps, okay, about Telegram groups shares, okay. You can find apps used like that, okay, and you can write example words, gaming, education, crypto, business, okay, bets, I don't know what topic do you want, but this is the one way, okay. The different way, okay, I use this is in Google. You can find websites that you can use for find or shares groups okay, in your what, in your mobile, okay. Now this is too easy. It's the same way. It's the same this word just saying like that, okay. You have a search bar, okay, and you can write example meet new people, and you can find different topics, okay. Friendship, more 30 years, new world, okay. This is in Spanish and in English, okay. You need put, okay, you can filter example here, okay. You can put USA example, and you can find different groups, okay, in your country. You can use this website or another website. You need put here groups on Telegram, okay, and you can select different way, okay, but it's the same. This is another website, okay. I used this before, and this is another website, okay. Nerd groups, okay, and this is you have a search bar right here, that word that you want, and this is all. This is all, okay. This is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English. I know that is awful, but I just want to try to get more experience when I'm speaking. Have a good day. See you later.